Hey everybody! Today we're going to draw a really cute little cactus plant or a succulent. You see them all the time in the stores now. I just love them. We're going to do one with a pretty flower on top, but you can shake it up and make it any way you'd like. Have fun! Okay, so go ahead and start by putting your guidelines on. Remember that nice light dashed line right down the center this way and right down the center that way, so we know exactly where the center of our paper is. So we're going to start by drawing a little pot down here for our succulents, and that little pot's really just going to be a trapezoid, right, with a rectangle up on top. And then we're going to move up here to the top, and we're going to put a little flower on our succulent or our cactus first. So we're going to put the little oval center on our flower. We're going to put some nice petals coming out like this. Give them some curved petals like that. And then we're just going to put two curved lines on for our succulent, and that'll be our whole succulent. Some little prickles on there to show that it's got some little thorns, and then we'll start adding some color. All right, so let's start with that pot down here on the bottom. So we're doing a trapezoid, right? We're going to do a diagonal line here, and then on the opposite side of your center line, we're going to do another diagonal right there. So two diagonal lines like this, and then just a slight curve, connect them across the bottom like that. And then we're going to do another curve, but this one's going to extend out beyond our pot. A little slight curve like that. Up again. Two more diagonal lines like this. And then another slight curve and connect those two lines across. All right, now we've got our pot. Let's go ahead and put our flower in. So we're going to put a oval right up here. See, almost right next to that center line, just slightly to the left of it. We're going to put an oval on right there. And I'm going to put on a curvy line out like this and bring it back to my oval. Don't bring it back in the same spot. That'd be a really skinny little flower petal, right? And then I'm going to do another curvy line out to a point. Bring it back to my oval. A curvy line out. Bring it back to my oval. A curvy line out. Bring it back to my oval. And last but not least, a curvy line out. And bring it back to my oval. All right, there's my flower. We can add a couple of detail lines in here like this. Give that flower a little detail. Now I'm going to come and I'm going to make my succulent is going to come from behind, right? Maybe I'll start right here. Bring that succulent right down. Now I'm going to start from up here. So we're going to take that succulent and we're just going to make a curved line, end it at your pot, and another curved line, and end it at your pot. There's our succulent. Now we got to put some curved lines and a little bit of detail in here. So let's pretend you're coming from the top, right? And we're going to put a slight curved line right there and come from here and a slightly curved line right there. And then we're just going to move it out. Another curved line right here and another curved line right there, like that. Now I'm going to come back through and I'm going to just put some little V's all over the place. Give that succulent some little check marks, little V's. Make it look like it's thorny. And there we have it. There's our succulent drawing. I'm going to go ahead and do my pot in like an orange color, so it looks like one of those terracotta pots. And then I'm going to add some greens and yellows up in here for my cactus. And I'm going to put a big hot pink flower here with a nice bright yellow center. I'm going to trace it up with crayon first, and then I'm going to add in my colors. Have fun. Do whatever colors you like. I've seen succulents in dark greens and purples and even some bluish purples, and obviously your flower can be any color you want in your pot. You could even put some designs or some patterns in your pot down here if you wanted to have fun with your succulent.